coronavirus can travel twice as far as official safe distance and stay in air for 30 minutes, Chinese study finds. Authorities advise people to stay 1 to 2 meters apart, but researchers found that a bus passenger infected fellow travelers sitting 4.5 meters away. The scientists behind the research said their investigation also highlighted the importance of wearing face masks because of the length of time it can linger. Researchers said the case highlighted the importance of wearing masks on public transport. The coronavirus that causes COVID-19 can linger in the air for at least 30 minutes and travel up to 4.5 meters, further than the safe distance advised by health authorities around the world, according to a study by a team of Chinese government epidemiologists. The researchers also found that it can last for days on a surface where respiratory droplets land, raising the risk of transmission if unsuspecting people touch it and then rub their face. The length of time it lasts on the surface depends on factors such as temperature and the type of surface. For example, at around 37 C, 98 F, it can survive for 2 to 3 days on glass, fabric, metal, plastic or paper. These findings, from a group of official researchers from Hunan province investigating a cluster case, challenge the advice from health authorities around the world that people should remain apart at a safe distance of 1 to 2 meters, 3 to 6.5 feet. Their work was based on a local outbreak case on January 22 during the peak Lunar New Year travel season. A passenger, known as A, boarded a fully booked long-distance coach and settled down on the second row from the back. The passenger already felt sick at that point, but it was before China had declared the coronavirus outbreak a national crisis, so A did not wear a mask, nor did most of the other passengers or the driver on the 48-seat bus. China requires closed-circuit television cameras to be installed on all long-distance buses, which provided valuable footage for researchers to reconstruct the spread of the virus on the bus, whose windows were all closed. It can be confirmed that in a closed environment with air conditioning, the transmission distance of the new coronavirus will exceed the commonly recognized safe distance, the researchers wrote in a paper published in peer-reviewed journal Practical Preventive Medicine last Friday. The paper also highlighted the risk that the virus could remain afloat even after the carrier had left the bus. The scientists warned that the coronavirus could survive more than 5 days in human feces or bodily fluids. They said the study proves the importance of washing hands and wearing face masks in public places because the virus can linger in the air attached to fine droplet particles. Our advice is to wear a face mask all the way through the bus ride, they added. Hu Shisheng, the lead author of the study who works for the Hunan Provincial Center for Diseases Control and Prevention, said the security camera footage showed patient A did not interact with others throughout the 4-hour ride. But by the time the bus stopped at the next city, the virus had already jumped from the carrier to 7 other passengers. News script from South China Morning Post by Stephen Chen. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.